Hi everyone, in this live session we are going to solve another Olympiad question which says find the integer solutions of AB plus C equals 2020 and A plus BC equals 2021. So there are two equations given to us with three variables A, B and C. Here also A, B and C. How would you solve this? So basically we have done equation solving with two variables. Let's try out this one. It's super easy. After knowing this, you will just enjoy the solving. Okay, so let's find out how many solutions are there in this. One second. Let us now see this 2020 and 2021. What do you see in this? There's a difference of 1 in 2020 and 2021, so we are going to just apply that. Let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. Now we are going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So let's subtract. Alright, so we are going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So we'll have A plus BC minus of AB plus C equals to 2021 minus 2020. Alright, now what do we have? Just open up your parenthesis. A plus BC minus into plus minus AB minus into plus minus C equals to 2021 minus 2020 gives you 1. Alright, now what do we have? Can we take out anything common from this? So let's bring the terms one side. A minus AB, I can see A common in this, that's why, plus BC minus C, I can see a C common in this. So let me split up the terms. Yes, now I can take out the greatest common factor between them. So here I can find it. A is common, so left is 1 minus B, and here I can see C is common, plus C into B is left, B minus 1 equals to 1. Alright, now what do we have? Here we have 1 minus B and here we have B minus 1. I cannot take it out common because there's a difference of signs. So what do I do is I take out the minus sign common. So here I have A into 1 minus B, take out minus 1 common, and C, that will be minus into minus should give you plus B. So we'll have a minus B, minus into minus should give you plus B. And then minus into plus 1 should give you minus 1 equals to 1. So what did it become? 1 minus B. I can write it down. A into 1 minus B minus 1 into C is minus C times 1 minus B. So I made it same like this one, equals to 1. Now I can take out 1 minus B common in this. So 1 minus B into A minus C equals to 1. Alright, so now we have solved this part. We have to find out the values of A, B and C. Basically your answer is 1, but it has two solutions. 1 into 1, you can write it as this, and negative 1 times negative 1 also gives you positive 1. Now what do we do? So we have two solutions. Now let me write that down. The first one is you have 1 minus B. So you have 1 minus B equals to 1, and then you have A minus C equals to 1. Okay, and the second one, you have 1 minus B equals to negative 1 and A minus C equals to negative 1. So let's solve. What will be the answers for this one? 1 minus B equals to 1. So what will be the value of B here? B is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So your B is 0. Then what will be the values of A and C? So when you have this, you are going to just substitute into a plus b. What were the equations we have? AB plus C equals to 2020, A plus BC equals to 2021. So let me just write down here. We have AB plus C, we have AB plus C equals to 2020, and A plus BC equals to 2021. Now let's substitute B equals to 0 in both the equations. In first one, we are going to get C is equal to 2020. When you substitute B equals to 0, you're going to get C equals to 2020. So that's right. C is equal to 2020. Now let's substitute in the second equation. B is equal to 0. So you have A is equal to 2021. That's how you get. So you get A is equal to 2021. Okay, now for the second one. You have B is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 gives you 2. So B is equal to 2. Now how do we find out the values for A? Let's substitute again. B is equal to 2 in these two equations. So we are going to have, okay, we are going to have AB plus C. We are going to have 2A plus C is equal to 2020. And then you have A plus 2C equals to 2021. Now these are two equations with two variables. So let us solve. Either you can solve it using substitution method or elimination method. Let's solve it. So you have the two equations. I'm going to write that again. That's equal to 2A plus C equals to 2020. And another equation is A plus 2C equals to 2021. Now, if you're using elimination method, what you just do, just multiply times 2. So you're going to get back 4A plus 2C equals to 40. Now for this equation, I'm going to write that back. A plus 2C equals to 2021. Now just change the sign, subtract it. So 2C gets cancelled out. 4A minus A gives you 3A equals to 40 minus 2021 gives you 2019. So A is equal to 2019 divided by 3. How much is that equal to? That's 673. So basically your A is 673. What will be your B? As we have done this, here it's given to you 1 minus B equals to -1. A minus C equals to -1. So let's substitute in this. A minus C equals to -1. A minus C equals to -1. So what is your A? 673 minus C equals to -1. So what is your C is equal to 673 plus 1. So C is equal to 674. So we got the values of A, C and B's. So here we have, when you have this, the value of A is 673 and the value of C is 674. So we have solved the variables A, B and C. Okay, if you like this session, please don't forget to share it with your friends and do write a comment in the comment box. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.